Yeah, guys, welcome to story time. From what you guys more do that video, you understand now the men are life tell you. From what you more do that video, guys. 2016, right? Um, I was in Trinidad and me meet this girl. You understand me? I did meet her in Trinidad. You don't know meet her, me and her reason. And you understand me? I did me and her we live together and them thing there. You understand me? I did in Trinidad. But guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm going. When we meet her in Trinidad, in our life, you tell you. It's like I know say I talk over it, but I have to make you know what I go on. Cause right now, the situation we in with them, yo, me have to talk. You understand me? The guys, when we meet her in Trinidad, off a street, me take him up. You understand me? All and things them that do. You understand me? Me give her money for in place and them thing there. And guys, me not lie if you tell her, as me meet this girl and move in our house, rent place and something and put her and them thing. The guys me get deport go to Jamaica. And believe me, we in the plan for married. You understand me? We in the plan for married at Trinidad, but me get deport. So me I say, yo, I don't want to look like say actual papers me want. Me in the plan for married to she. So watch out. Me get deport, me still I go married to she. You understand me? Because we done settle thing already. So watch, we get deport and go to Jamaica, guys. When we there Jamaica, me buy ticket. When me I left Trinidad, I go home. 100 TT dollar. I left Trinidad with. Yeah, me tell you when me reach in the airport, I buy a carton of cigarette. For me, I want to make Jamaican virgin. For me, I go down on the same flight. You understand me? I did. And me go down. Guys, me not lie if you tell you when me reach Jamaica now. That happened in 2016. That Jamaica now buy a ticket. Girl come down and marry them. You understand me? I did. Guys, they say after me married, she did Trinidad. She said she had to put in papers for me come back to Trinidad, which one way. And that was the plan. You understand me? I did. So, me and her reason, because me and her reason up on the phone and them thing there. You understand me? I did. So, she has said, oh, Nicholas, make sense to come back to Trinidad and it will take time and way this, way that. So, they say, okay, do what you have to do. You understand? He said, she will make me come to Grenada. I say, alright, no problem, guys, and when we meet that the girl there, we hear about Grenada. Me never know no name Grenada. You understand me? And since me meet her, me know a place named Grenada. And really, be honest with you, some things, when me left Trinidad and go down, when she come down and married, she a go tell me, say, after she married now, she a go tell me she don't want a long distance relationship. But guys, check your level. Oh, you feel married to a man and then you go tell a man you don't want a long distance relationship. So we are trying to show the man. You have an ex man a fuck you or a business you married for. And guys, I'm gonna show you say a business the girl married for. You hear a girl tell me, Nicholas, you know say my father joined a policy in Trinidad. If she not married, she can't get the money from the credit union. You understand me? Which way? I know that me married for. Me never married for that. You understand? And me never married for papers to go back to Trinidad. Me have to come to Grenada. Me never married for papers. So, guys, he might tell me, oh, a whole heap of things. You understand me? Even when me die Jamaica, she don't want a long distance relationship. So, I say, you mean you don't want a long distance relationship? You understand me? So, she and her father always die house. You understand me? And I say, Alana, why you move so? Oh, you move so. Me and her talk on phone more time. I cut off your phone and, oh, your father no feel good. So me I say, my girl, you mean your father no feel good and you and your husband up on the phone? People, check your levels, You your father in a house, and you your husband I talk on the phone and your father go vex for that. So one day me say to him, say, my girl, you know, say, as how you move, you come like, say, your father F you, as there's a God. You understand me, Adid? Because you see, when she tell me, say, she don't want a long distance relationship, and as how she move, more time I say, no, sir, sitting right. You understand me, Adid? So when me say that to him now, when me I say, yo, you know, say, you come like a daddy, I there with you. You hear what she said, people, viewers and subscribers, want to not believe this. You hear what she turned to me and say, in father, he live with a woman in a Trinidad. You understand? He father he live with a woman. And since she come at the house, the woman left and gone. The woman a cuss her say, he daddy are there with she. And people, me not lie if it tell you. She tell me that. You understand, man? And yo, as though she a move, yo, me have to really ask him. One night time, people, one night time, me run with a gal before me come a Grenada. Even my mother and my sister then say, Nicholas, don't come, because when you see how she a move, you can't know say I'm a good girl. You understand, man? I still take up myself and come a Grenada. Yo, me come a Grenada, I don't there 5 months good. She da Trinidad. People believe this, she da Trinidad. That time at 2018 now. You understand, man? She da Trinidad. You understand, man? And me there in Grenada, in a she place. And you hear where girl come and tell me have to leave. After me come left from Jamaica, come clean up place and paint up and everything that's when you come, everything alright. People, I have to leave. 5 months, not catch me in the house up there. You understand me, Adid? 5 months, don't catch me in the house. And guys, me not lie, if you tell them. Me live in Granans in St. George's. And people watch, she'll come back a Grenada, come live. And me have to buy a ticket. If she come back in Grenada, come live. You understand me, Adid? When she come back a Grenada now, me get she pregnant. Which way me not live at them house? Them put me out because the daddy no want me around them because as how man the girl live. Me know say daddy with she. People, guess when she take me a court, when she take me a court, the first 6 weeks when the baby born. The first 6 weeks when the baby born, me tell her personal in the court. Me tell her say, yo, your daddy are there with you. In the court, in front of the judge, me tell her that. Believe that, people. Watch, I'm going to show you some things now. So I got a court for my baby, I said, 6 weeks old, I got a court for child maintenance. I pay the money, all in a legal service, and go back to take back your money. Go back to court, and ask the judge, oh, want to the money from me. It just say, Me, you never make no agreement, watch you know, you hear what daddy tell me? Anyhow, you making that I can make a court. Me have to go to prison. So that's what they mean that plan to do. So watch you know, what they mean that plan to do. You see two men are married and the daddy join a palace in Trinidad. You understand me? And the girl married. Anyhow, she divorced, she cannot get the money. You understand me? And that's how me find out she married for. You understand me? So what you want me do now? We make sure when they tell me if you left them place, I'm left for my own and I get she pregnant the same way. You understand me? But what they mean that try fight for now are the money, so that you know make it that can mean a court fees, you know, them have to arrest me. So when them arrest me now, me I have to go sign to certain papers for them get the money. You understand me? But that not happen. Yeah guys, so when them have me in a court for the baby, I say 6 weeks old, they want me get locked up. Guy daddy tell me say, yo, me have to go to prison. Guys, I'm not joke me I make, you know. You understand me? Say me have to go to prison. And yo, guys, for the baby at 2 months old, 6 weeks, say 6 weeks, for 6 weeks old, they have got court until today. Guys, I'm going to show you something now. They have pay me money in a court for the youth. You understand me? And she sent summons. Say me who are over $2,500 with bailiff police, guys. Me not lie if you tell you. So comes now, me go back to court, you know. Say me owe them over 2,000. When me show a policeman me receipt, the man said, Mr. Brown, you hear me? Come to court, come rectify yourself. But guys, I'm gonna show you something. These people don't like fucking Jamaican people. You understand me? Because watch you know. You come in the country, or them make you come in the country, them same one fight it out and try to make police lock you up. Yeah, me I telling about. So much you know, bam son, me there and the police come. And when me show the policeman, me receive him and say, yo, Mr. Brown, come and court, come rectify yourself. But style did it. You hear the first thing the man asked me if Pinnock in Grenada, that are the DPPs, a Jamaican. You understand me? I did. The man I go ask me if that man there. I say yes, in there. Because what you know, things that them a plan to do. You understand me? I did. If that the man there was in Grenada, yo, me that jail up till friggin' today. Yeah, me telling you guys, me would have jail up till today for nothing when me don't know about. You understand me? I did. Bam, son. When me go to court now, with the pay slip. Me not today can't pay slip. Then check in I book up there. People, I must say $400 me owe them. And me have pay me money. Money when me have pay no. The judge lock me up. Me pay money say fortnight before. You understand me? I did and it's like you know the fortnight come this week. And I say, yo, yeah, you remember now no money to pay this week. Next fortnight, I go pay you. Me pay fortnight before this fortnight, you know. And I say, me now go pay on this fortnight till the other fortnight. You understand that a panel raise people. The woman lock me up. And I see him freaking day, me I get paid. Me have to call on my virgin to get money come to pay in a court. And you me tell her, and you see from that, me I go to court. Me get someone's book, bang belly goat. Jamaican people, what is a bang belly goat? First, I go ask, what is a criminal chet? What is a chet? You understand me? What is a chet? What is a bang belly goat? Eh? You can't look on somebody and say, big old lad, move from yourself. What is a bang belly goat? People, them have me up in a court. The bang belly goat from 2022. What is a bang belly goat? And I say bang belly goat a criminal charge. I want to give me I want to lay 3 criminal charge for me people. Bang belly goat, bag your face when you come a court. You suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood. And I will keep on talk. Bang belly goat. You suck a little money out of me and now you want to suck a little blood. You are a fucking vampire. Jamaican talking and I will ever fucking talk. People, 3 criminal charge you want to put for me. Me I got court from 2022. No, you can't charge me. But you have me a court to do. Bad mind, no fucking bad mind. Don't watch on me YouTube. To show you a girl, fuck up. Eh? Right now, in I want a country and about shit out of Agmode people. Nothing she can't do for herself. You understand me? I did. Nothing she can't do for herself. Eh? So what you make me come here and do? You're married to man, as can to you. People, when I tell the judge, she spend her money for married and them thing there. Where the fuck you get money for married, girl? Eh? Where you get money for married when you that chin that box fucking around? Eh? Who pick you up? Who make you look like somebody? And you go talk about who me owe you. Eh? Stinking girl. How much money you spend for married? Answer now? How much money you spend for married? Every minute you carry me fucking name in a courthouse. You don't know like Jamaican, I know that until a half smoke girl. You see half smoke girl where you run carry me name too. Tell him, say me know she don't like Jamaican, so she will come on for me. Every fucking time you come up with every minute now about your lay charge. What is bang belly goat? Eh? Viewers and subscribers, somebody can tell me what is a bang belly goat? You know when you're that Jamaican, you deal with some girl. You understand me? Because you have some girl they just want to come around when you have the money. You understand me? So you go style them. So that I style when me use pan the girl. Girl, you suck a little money out of me. I know you want to suck a little blood. You are a vampire. Because what? Me have a next girl at my yard and she find out a Jamaican girl. And she find out. Eh? People, I'm going to show you something. Them a plan. She tell her baby father to kill me. Them a plan with 2 men to kill me. One from St. Vincent and one from Grenada. They kill me. Because why they want to kill me now? You see the policy where daddy join, that's what they want to kill me for. You understand me? Because she can't get the fucking money. Me have to sign the paper. You understand me? So I hit, they have me up, yo. Yo, when we go and report it, baby father, send come tell me, before me go report it, baby father, send come tell me. So me fi be careful of myself. And me should never marry to that girl there. Cause she a plan with 2 men. One from St. Vincent and one from Grenada to kill me. You understand me? And the man send a Jamaican girl come tell me if you go look for me pitney. I succumbs, me start see me pitney the people. Viewers and subscribers, me not lie if I tell you. The last time, me remember me hold my baby and the baby not even catch 2 fucking months yet. You hear me tell you now, and them have me in a court for the pitney at 2 months. You understand? All we know gosso. Because you want woman judge you in a family court at Granville. These fucking people don't like foreigners. I lie them a tell. I lie fucking gal a tell. And them believe say me left from Springs and come at Granville. Of course me call a bang belly goat. Me take out my phone and call a bang belly goat to suck your liquor blood in. Money out of me, I know you want to suck your liquor blood. And that's true me attack. And that's where you be. You're a fucking vampire. You just go around and suck out the little money that people have. That's what you do with the next Jamaican guy. People want to believe this. That's what she do with the next Jamaican guy. I mean, they with that Jamaican guy not Trinidad. Right now, you have him on fridge, stove, bed, every fucking thing in a she house up there. Make him man send immigration pan the man at Trinidad and deport the fucking man. You hear me tell you how wicked she fucking be. And look where catch me now for me meet this a girl. Yo, when me meet this a girl, in not even a week, me get deported. People believe this. Yeah guys, when we meet this a girl at Trinidad, not even a week, me and her no stay together in our house, me get deported. Remember that. You hear me tell you? And me no spend, I no say me overtime in a Trinidad. When they charge me for work without a permit, she is the one sending immigration them for the location where me there. And me get deported and me still go home and marry to a girl. You understand me? Yo, these people don't go and know say yo you have little money. Yeah, you have them good. And you see when they done people, them fuck you up. Right now, people me have court, me get all restraining order. Say me a guy in place, me a make trouble with you and people. Every friggin' day and night me da work. I go show you restraining order. People, you know look. This is a restraining order. You understand me, dude? Me can't see me pitney, me a pay money in a court and me can't see me friggin' son. You hear me tell you? Me a make all preparation with all Mrs. Alexander them in a town and them ask me for wait till the court done. And from 2022 the court are gone and now the court can't finish. Because every time me go to court is a different thing. Every time. Even the police them may say to what they may say, what is a bang belly goat? Me even tell the police them to tell the judge saying if you go back to school, I laugh, the police them a laugh because they know a truth. She can't read. Yeah guys, so this is the restraining order. You understand me? Guys, me pay my money in a court, not even my youth, me can't see. And youth a 5-year-old. You hear me tell you? And me pay child maintenance for the people as a 6-week-old in a court. Believe that. You understand me? Don't look guys. Take out all. Can't see me pitney. You understand me? Every time me post a video on social media, them a say me a trouble them, me a make video with them. Every judge go tell me, see restraining order where she give me? Look, people no look, I go tell me now. Anything like you see court to me I go you know, things are happen now, me no fit talk nothing about it. Me no fit talk nothing about it. What you mean me no fit talk nothing about it? So me's a fucking idiot. Eh? Things will happen to me no fit talk about it. No man, I want to plan for you. A horse mouth your name, no judge. And I thought the judge in Granville Family Court. You cannot read. Won't have me offer. Eh? Me nah name no labor boss. Me nah name no fucking labor. Won't have me offer. Bang belly goat. A little big old spoiled girl. We come like them big old waist cow. Eh? You go in a me blood clot skin feet. Woman I warm to you. Eh? Warm to you. What the fuck me do no? What me do no in a me fucking skin? What me do no? Eh? Uno no like fucking Jamaican people. What the fuck me do no in a me blood clot skin so? Uno come out of me now, boss. You have to tell me about fucking criminal charge. If you in a fucking gas school, you don't know what is a criminal charge. You have to tell me about my video. On the fucking bad mind. You have to tell me about my video. You can't tap me for post a video. With a little fucking spoiled girl. A little big old stinking bang belly goat cow. I have a style you know. A little bang belly goat cow. You say big and come like them big old fucking waist cow. You have a little fucking ass mouth. Eh? What you want to do with me? Me a turn trouble too, you know? Uno make me come in a blood clot grenade and when una plan up to send me a prison and kill me. Uno can't get to kill me, una plan to send me a prison. For nothing. Like a fucking ass mouth girl in a Granville in Family Court. Eh? What the fuck Jamaican do, you know? You just take set from blood clot Jamaican people. What them do you? Eh? You fucking shit. What is a bang belly goat? Eh? Bag your face and come a court out that will be a criminal charge. You suck a little money out of me and you want to suck a little blood. You're so fucking dunks. Woman, go back to school. Go back to school. You bum buckler. I know, man. But don't like people. People don't look. I pay my money in a court. And I can't see me pitney. And you have to tell me about blood clot criminal charge. Stinking woman. Eh? A Jamaican girl went there. I'm going to make you know now. A Jamaican girl went there. And a fucking Grenadian boy, there with a little girl, a woman 12-year-old pitney. Why you not put that as blood clot criminal charge and go look for him and charge him for it? Eh? Why you not do that? Every minute in my blood clot skin. Yo, you need to know yourself. The youth with there with the little 12-year-old girl and see woman have to run go back to blood clot Jamaica into that. Them the thing you know fi take up. And come off for me on a blood clot and I go watch me video them. Me I make video with she like a big old stinking girl. People me that court and the girl come in a court and video me. We expect me now go video like a bang belly goat, like a stinking girl. People right now, if you no go in on my YouTube, go on my YouTube page, you can see video. When me have video back the girl and I say people, you look, watch a big old stinking girl a video me and I go tell people me a video she. Like a dirty girl, when I have no ambition. Your daddy used to fuck you, and me tell you that. And you see him one talk. Say you woman with your daddy in that day will tell you that. So guess what, more you see them video yeah, more you care you go show a judge. Care you go show him on the pussy clout, you know. Care you go show a judge. And play making here. And you see the voice note them women that send from Jamaica. Play make a big mouth ras here. And when you play that video you're making here, I go pose it come on to no blood clot seat. What me do know? What Jamaican people do know? You know just take it in my blood clot. Eh? What me do know? On a pussy well on a bad mind. When you look alive, go look at blood clot life and come off for me now. I'm making now live like dog. Eh? When you come off for me now, I want to see that blood clot video you go talk about criminal charge. You fucking idiot. People me get a liar. For sure you say me get a liar. You understand me I did? And yo, for sure you with them a plan. Girl I call you. For sure you fuck up these people be. The girl I call you and I go tell you represent me. And the girl I call you and I tell you. Me a checking she and you don't fucking call me and tell me until me come a quote me every girl on her phone. And if me never call you and tell you that you wouldn't say nothing to me. And I plan pussy wall. Dirty Rasta Thomas, let me tell you this. You can plan on our blood clot plan. Yeah, you can plan on our plan coming. No. Pussy, you can't feed me, no. I mean, I look for you feed me, no. Yeah, I suffer. You can't come and suffer blood clot suffer. I mean, I hack skies that. You bumbo clot. I know, man, like a big old stinking ass mouth girl I got talk about criminal charge. What's that criminal charge? The youth were there with the little girl, a 12-year-old, a Jamaican girl daughter. Why you no blood clot look for him and charge him? Eh? That you know fi do. Look for him and charge him before you charge me. Yeah. And you need to go back to blood class study. You don't know fuck. Yo, more you see that video, yeah. You gotta tell me about don't put no up on YouTube. But don't post no video with nobody. And anything I go on, me no fit talk about it. What you mean me no fit talk about it? If your blood clot mouth, the class mouth, girl, you give me restraining order. I go tell me no fit talk about it. Anything I go on, me no fit talk about. So me, I go talk about it now. So me come back a quote. Alright, like when you send a restraining order, I may talk about him, I go post the video this evening and you go see it. So say the police them come lock me up. You're more big no pussy clot. Go back to school, girl. Ask the police them when me tell them to tell you. Ask the police them when me tell them Thursday to tell you. You need to go back to fucking school. And the Jamaican girl, when having like a 12-year-old daughter there, and them fuck off like a pitney, and that when you see about and come off a blood clot me. Me and you no labor, no bumbo clot, eh? And since me come here, so me turn papa, me blood clot till that since me meet like a bang belly goat. I mean, I tap calling bang belly goat, when I go blood clot, me able to no cut you so. Make sure you fucking tell you that.